Migrating a decade of content can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. This video explores a seamless, one-click solution for moving your WordPress site to Laravel, ensuring zero SEO loss throughout the process. Managing over 10 years of content is a massive challenge. With thousands of articles, pages, and images, the sheer volume of data makes manual migration paths risky and prone to errors. The biggest fear for any site owner during a migration is losing hard-earned search engine rankings. A single mistake can lead to broken links and a sudden crash in organic traffic, undoing years of effort overnight. The traditional way to migrate is slow, manual, and stressful. Developers often spend weeks copying content page by page, juggling endless spreadsheets and browser tabs, all while worrying about missing something vital. We have developed a better way. Our solution is designed for simplicity and efficiency, enabling a complete one-click migration, where every step of the process is fully automated. Experience the power of automated migration. With just one click, you can trigger the entire process, removing the need for manual intervention and ensuring consistency across your new platform. Security is paramount. Our tool creates a fast, secure connection between your WordPress server and Laravel, using an encrypted high-speed API tunnel to keep your data safe during transit. We ensure 100% content coverage. Every single page is automatically detected, extracted, and imported. Plus, our built-in verification checkmarks provide peace of mind that nothing is left behind. Your blog posts are fully preserved. Formatting, publication dates, author metadata, tags, and custom fields are all seamlessly transferred to your new environment, keeping your content history intact. Media migration is just as straightforward. All your photos, featured images, galleries, and videos are automatically moved and integrated directly into the new Laravel media library. Preserving your SEO health is our priority. Our automated process ensures that every critical ranking signal is carried over to your new site, maintaining your visibility and search results. We handle your SEO titles with precision. Every title is extracted and mapped to the new system, so your search result snippets look exactly as they did before, safeguarding your user experience. Meta descriptions are equally protected. By flowing them seamlessly into the new Laravel SEO dashboard, we ensure that your click-through rates remain stable and your hard work remains effective. Keywords remain intact. Every tag, focus keyword, and semantic marker is transferred, meaning your years of keyword optimization work are fully preserved for the future of your site. Finally, we maintain your URL structure. By connecting old WordPress URLs with new Laravel slugs, we ensure every permalink remains active, preventing broken links and keeping your audience connected. We implement 301 redirects to ensure your traffic is handled smoothly. Using intelligent routing, your visitors will never notice the change, and search engines will update their indexes seamlessly. Your website's hierarchy and taxonomy tree are rebuilt automatically during the process. We ensure that all category and content relationships are preserved, keeping your site perfectly organized. Featured images are handled with care. Every article receives its correct featured image automatically, ensuring all visual content relationships remain intact after the move. Your parent and child page structure is fully maintained. Our system rebuilds your sitemap with connected page nodes, ensuring all navigation menus and hierarchy remain completely intact. Performance and security are core to our approach. The new platform is built for speed and protected by design to provide a superior experience for your users. Experience a faster website through automated image optimization. Your images are compressed while maintaining high visual quality, contributing to better core web vitals scores. Enjoy lightning-fast speeds with Laravel. Its modern architecture consistently outperforms traditional WordPress hosting metrics, giving your site a significant performance boost. Security is built in. Laravel provides an enterprise-grade framework that actively blocks threats, including built-in defenses against CSRF and XSS attacks to protect your data. Our cloud-native architecture is built for growth. Your website infrastructure can expand effortlessly, supporting everything from a few thousand to millions of pages. Manage your content with an elegant, modern CMS dashboard. Featuring intuitive drag-and-drop editing, it provides a cleaner interface to streamline your daily workflows. Search engines love clean code. By moving to Laravel's optimized codebase, you provide a better foundation for Google to crawl and index your site, helping improve your rankings. Future-proof your business by breaking free from plugin dependencies. Laravel's modular ecosystem is built to be robust, reliable, and easier to maintain for the long term. The migration is complete with 100% success. Every item has been checked and verified, ensuring your entire website is moved perfectly to its new home. Post-migration, your traffic remains preserved. Analytics show stable and growing organic traffic, proving that your hard-earned rankings are fully maintained. The future starts today. Migrate your website to enjoy one-click simplicity, zero SEO loss, and unlimited growth potential. Preserve your content forever.